It don't suck though. Nice windy day like today. A little rack gonna be putting to work. Well. Yeah, that's what about what I figured. Well, we don't have to be nice to the lower shelf. Right. Come on, man, like you mean it. Put your purse down. There it goes. I see you commandeered my pry bar momentarily. I think I trained for 2 days and I was just like, I'm out of here. And they were like, why? I'm like, I don't know. I can tell you right now that we are not going to go with. Yeah, pretty much. I was, correct me if I'm wrong. Right. But I can't work like that. So I left. Literally just walked in and I'm like, yeah, quit.
Did you see that Sarah and
Who's Sarah?
Wait for this. You say no, I'll help you out.
I don't respond to people I don't know.
No, I'm just saying like, you know, people that might know me.
Oh, the video won't get posted. I only do that. Not everything is income. So see, this is gonna sit up here like that. So we're gonna walk behind here. I'm extra. Right. Yeah, I got another install tomorrow in my teamers. All right, we're gonna check. Don't quite line up. Watch your face and all that shit. Way more to it, a lot of math and stuff, but it's not too bad. Sir. Oh, you got this. One. Can you pop that number 2 hinge down? You see how it's nope, the number 2? Yeah. Sure everything's level. You hand me the wall case right there. Yeah. It's more level than you think.
That's a problem.
Grandparents getting older. Then it's a problem.
There might be a little bit of an issue. But,
Yeah.
You know, it happens.
The vice grip holds it up so you don't have to. Sure. It's about the same. Alright. Now we throw a bunch of screws into it to tie it all together.
like it.
Katie called me because she crashed the car.
Oh my God, bro. Yeah, I remember that too. They're like, you gotta learn how to drive stick.
Who said that? John.
It was John. John made her get in there. Because John didn't know how to drive stick either, bro. He was like, I ain't driving it. A trolling motor for my boat so I can go out there and troll for trout and salmon and stuff.
Nice. There's a guy on Instagram that I saw recently. It's called ITZ Fishing. And that's what they do.
Yeah.
They're a couple of younger cats who just take people on small fishing expeditions. So you mind picking up on the front of that? Yep. Down. Start swinging that way. Then you go down any lower, you can start walking toward me and grab.
I think it's the...
These. Okay, count half turns. You need 1 full turn per foot of door, so we need 7 full turns. I'm going to half 7. Don't 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just a little extra for glass. You also get push all out. What's pretty sure there? Yeah. It won't be that bad until you get to like the 10th turn, then you start feeling the tension. I didn't record it. I didn't hit record, I just turned it on.
Take 2.
Yeah. I looked at it, I'm like, something doesn't look right on the screen. Oh, it didn't record. Oopsies.